Okay guys, so we're gonna make our way over to the side entry, and if you recall, this particular property, the homeowner, they wanted more space. They have an apartment, and what they did is they want to move out of their apartment, and they purchased this home. They wanted to create the brand new second level for themselves and still create a mother-daughter so that mom could live downstairs. So we're gonna go inside right now. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this whole area here, this used to be a little side door. We created a private entry that will lead up to the staircase going up. It also has some closets downstairs. If you look up, you can see the whole second floor that we put up. Let's go inside and we'll take a look, and I'll show you the layout. So as we walk in here, we created this private entry. Now, through that door right there is leading into the existing first floor. Then we have a couple of utility closets for the first floor utilities. And you can see how nice we finished the floors, created these box panels and crown molding. We did the two-tone with the white. You see this on a lot of our projects, and it just really came out nice. So they'll have a beautiful entryway to come in, and then you open up this door. It leads you up to the second floor. We have the lighting here. So let's go upstairs. We just had the floors done the other day. And this is a very popular layout project because there's a lot of families out there that are looking to bring their immediate family, their moms, their parents, and they're looking to bring them into their own home. So this particular package is a mother-daughter type situation. You come up, you have, in this case, they have their own entryway. They come up here, and this is their entire floor. A lot of times we do this for the in-laws. So the in-laws will have this particular floor, and the homeowners will stay downstairs. So it depends on your situation, but let's take a look around. All right, guys, so you can see we have recessed lighting. We have a open concept here. We're limited on space. So we created this open floor plan that will have a living area right in here. You have your wall mount TV open to the kitchen. They have an eat-in island right over here. And then they have a balcony looking out to the backyard. Lots of windows. It's a great layout. It really incorporates everything that they need. Very basic, very standard, but it has a nice touch to it. You can see the moldings. You can see the recessed lighting. Colors are nice. We did the whole kitchen layout, which we planned with the homeowners, and we laid it out, and look at everything. It really came out nice. So guys, in this kitchen, we obviously have the refrigerator. We have some quartz tops, stainless steel appliances. We have the backsplash. And then if you look at the island over here, we have a little wine bar. You can see the eat-in island right here. You put your stools over in this area. It's a really nice layout. It's everything that they need. And especially they have their own private entryway coming in and out, and they'll be able to entertain up here in this particular area. So through that door over there is the bedroom area. Through that door is the bathroom, and then we have the washer dryer closet here, and then the hot water heater. They also have a pull down stairs with a full attic, 7-foot attic up there, plenty of storage. So this is everything that they need confined to this top floor layout. So let's go take a look at the bedroom first. All right, guys. So in this particular room, we have a nice sized bedroom, beautiful 10-foot box ceiling, recessed lighting, full closets, his and hers closets, egress windows, full trim package. You can see we ran crown molding around the box, crown molding around the perimeter. This particular package, we included the closet organizers, and they have the shelving, they have the bars, shelving across the top. All that's included is a bonus package. You'll look over here, same thing. It's a little bit bigger on the closet. So you know she's gonna get the closet, he's gonna get the smaller one. That's just the way it works. And this has plenty of space. I mean, you have 4 closet poles, shelving for the shoes, put your clothes folded up across the top. You have a lot of space here for this particular house. You have your wall mount TV package all set up. And then let's make our way into the utility rooms and the bathroom. All right, guys, so right here, nice and convenient. We have the laundry closet, so it'll be a stackable. We have our utilities all set up, washer, dryer, electric, gas, dryer, vent. All that's set up with a drain pan for the washer. And then directly across, we have our hot water heater. Has the light in the closet. It's all set up. You have your hot water heater here. You have your electrical panel here. So everything is all confined to this space. It's all independent. It's all set up. Through this door is the bathroom. So let's take a look in there. All right, guys. So we're opening up the door here. We have a double vanity toilet, soak tub, which they really wanted. They've seen in our other videos. And we have a self-standing faucet. Take a look at how deep this tub is. And this is all set up, organized through us. And everything is just a nice layout here for them. Very happy. They're going to enjoy this apartment. And then over here, they have the setup where we do for a lot of our customers. It's a dual function, single valve, dual function, so that they could work a rain head. They could also work a handheld. A handheld acts as a shower head when you have it mounted. And then we have a shower pole here just for the inspection. But in the next day or two, we're going to have the glass doors put on, and they'll have a glass panel here. So it's just really came out nice. All the colors, all the fixtures, all the tiling, cabinetry, countertops, the painting, everything is picked out by the homeowner, and we do the installation. We organize everything. And you could see this particular project, how nice it came out. So guys, this particular project, this mother-daughter project, took us exactly 2 months. 2 months from start to finish. We took the roof off. We have all our inspections. Everything was completed in 2 months. So it went quick. Some towns a little longer, some towns a little quicker, but this was a very fast project. The homeowner's going to be moving in the next couple of days. They're moving out of their apartment. They're moving everything into this house. And it's going to be a really nice situation for them. We're very happy. And if you probably watched this from day one, because we were filming this project from the roof removal all the way to this final walkthrough. And if you and your family have any questions about your home transformation, just give us a call. Ask for me. I'm Dave Pangione. Our number is 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. You can email us at info@pangionedevelopers.info. Just look right there. info@pangionedevelopers.info. And again, our number, one more time, is 201-774-3733. Ask for me. I'm Dave Pangione, and thanks for watching this final walkthrough video. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks. Hey guys, Dave here, and I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You can also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below. It says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it.